Okay. So, hello everybody.
Hi.
Nice to meet you.
Bonjour. Hi.
Bonjour. Alors, qui voilà? I can see, I guess this is Brooke and Taylor. They just joined now.
Hi.
Salut. How
Hi.
are you guys? Good?
Good. Good.
Okay.
I'm good, thank you. How are you?
So, my name is Graziella and I am a teacher at Abhishek Coaching. Actually, I am a language teacher. I'm teaching French, of course, and also Italian. Do you know why?
Why?
Because I have origins from Italy, actually. I am native from France, but my parents, they are from Italy. So they shifted to France a long time ago. So I would like to ask you too, maybe do you have any origins? Where are your parents from? Where you are living? And maybe are you capable to speak different languages like me? Who starts? Okay, and your parents too, they are from Canada?
Yes.
Okay, and do you know another language?
English.
You speak only English?
Yes.
Okay,
But we do learn
good.
French in school.
You are learning French in school, that's great. Okay. Anyone else?
Hello.
Hello?
My
Hello?
name is M9. I am from
Okay. Thank you. Who else?
I am good.
Yes, good. Okay. Nice to meet you. Where are you from, Alex?
Canada.
Canada. Okay. Do you know French or not?
No.
No. Okay. Thank you. And what about Brooke?
I'm also from Canada and I know a little bit of French, but not much.
Okay. Thank you, Brooke. And what about Taylor?
I also live in Canada, and so do my parents.
Okay. Merci, Taylor. So, let's start to learn a little bit of French conversation basics, okay?
Okay.
So, today I would like to teach you how do we say in French, how are you? Someone knows? Any idea? How do we say how are you in French? No idea. Okay. So actually, I will teach you how do we say how are you in French. Okay, now I'm sharing the screen with you. This is actually the informal way I want to teach you. So you pay attention. I will pronounce it very slowly and you will also repeat. Okay, just a second, I'm sharing my screen.
Excuse me.
Yes? Jacob, tell me.
Can I tell you how I would present my name in like when you're ready? I know how to say I know how to say how are you? I know how to say like I'm good.
Okay, that we will see later. This is afterwards we will learn how to answer the question actually. Can you keep it for you now? Please? Just can you read, Jacob? How do you say how are you in French? See? Comment ça va?
Ça va bien. Et toi?
This is the answer, dear. This is the answer. Now we are just focus on the question. Everybody, please. Can you repeat after me, okay? Comment ça va? You guys, I want to hear you.
Comment ça va?
Yeah.
Comment ça va?
Comment ça va?
Okay, very good
Bonjour,
pronunciation.
ça
Good.
va.
Okay, so this is the informal way, right? So let's see how we can answer this.
Ça va bien. Ça va bien.
Ça va très bien. This is the number one. If you can see the screen, okay, you can read the number one. Ça va très bien. Repeat. You can try.
Ça va.
All of you. Très bien.
Ça va très bien. Très bien. Ça va très bien. Ça va très bien.
Yes, bravo. Very good. Okay. And Laura, can I hear you also?
Ça va très bien. Bien.
Yeah, very good. Ça va très bien. Okay, this one is okay. Second possibility, when it's going well, but just like that. You say, I'm fine, right? In English. Okay, so we say it just like this. Ça va. Repeat.
Ça va.
Ça va.
Ça va. Ça va. Ça va.
Okay.
Ça va.
All of you, yeah. Can I hear Taylor?
Ça va.
Yeah. Okay, thank you so much. So this is easy, right? So
Yeah.
let's go for a little bit difficult now. The first possibility, when something is a bit wrong, right? It happens sometimes. It's not going that much well, right? So in French, we will say it like that. Comme ci, comme ça. Repeat. Oui. Who said that?
Comme si, comme ça.
Yeah. Very
Comme
good.
si, comme ça. Comme si, comme ça.
Okay. Très bien. And the last possibility, when everything is going wrong and you are upset, it's not going all at all. So what would you say? Can you read it, Jacob?
Ça ne va pas du tout.
Let's hear carefully to the pronunciation. Okay, Jacob? Ça ne va pas du tout. Repeat. Jacob? Ça ne
va pas du tout.
du tout. Ça ne va pas du tout. All of you now. Ça ne va pas
Ça ne va pas du tout. Ça ne va pas
du tout. Du
Ça
tout. Okay.
Ça ne va pas
du tout.
du tout. Du tout.
Don't pronounce the T at the end. Oh, I hide the screen actually, yeah? Now you memorize it well. You have 3 seconds. Memorize it and it will disappear. Then we will play a game together, right? 1, 2, 3. I hide the screen.
No.
So let's see if you learned well the lesson now. We will do just a little memory game, okay? So, I am associating a gesture to the answer, okay? So I will ask you this. Voilà. Just a second. Okay. So when I do this, it means ça va très bien. Can you see it? Can you make it? Ça va très bien. 2 times up. Okay? Next one. This one will be ça va. Okay. The third one, you remember? Ça va comme ci, comme ça. Can you see, Jacob? The gesture? Comme ci, comme ça. Can you make the gesture with me? Just like me?
Il y a que ça.
Okay. I can't see Taylor, I can't see Brooke, they disappeared. All right, so The game is I'm doing the gesture. You have to say the proper answer matching with this gesture. Can we try? Are you ready to play?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Ça va très bien. This
Ça va très bien. Ça va
Okay.
très bien.
Okay. Next one. This one, do you remember?
Ça va.
Ça va.
Ça va bien. Ça va bien.
Okay. Ça va. Third one. What is this one meaning?
Comme si,
Comme
comme
ça.
ça. Comme si, comme ça.
Very good. Comme ci, comme ça. Okay. Then the last one. Which one is it? How do we say it?
Ce n'est pas. Ce n'est pas.
Ça ne va pas du tout. Okay. Taylor, can you try to say it? Ça ne va pas du tout.
Ça va tout peu.
Difficult, right?
Ça ne va pas du tout. Ça ne va pas du tout.
Bravo,
Ça
bravo.
n'a pas du tout.
Okay. Very good, guys. I'd just like to ask you, do you know, how do we say in French? Thank you.
Merci. Merci.
Bravo. Merci. Correct. This is the proper answer, yes. Okay.
Yes.
So guys,
Yes.
I think the time is up already. So, je vous dis merci. I tell you merci. Merci les enfants. Au revoir.
Au revoir.
Au revoir.
Au revoir. Au revoir.
Au revoir.
Au revoir.
Au revoir. Au revoir.
Au revoir.